wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Twerk. If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty twerk.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Sheena, Mina, the girl you want to meet it, and I'm back with a video. So today I have Tay. Kay is missing. She's MIA always. But we are actually trying the Flamin' Hot Nacho Doritos.
Yes, I'm really excited. Like, I've been wanting to try these for so long.
And we, like, every time we go to the store, we try to see if they have, like, the $1.89 bag. But they never do. So it was like, you know, we're just going to try this out on my channel. And here they are. And we got some nacho cheese because we like hot Cheetos and cheese. So
yeah, we wanted to see how it was going to taste.
So we're about to get right into it. They smell like Doritos.
Oh yeah, they smell like Doritos. Your first chip gonna be with it. Cheese. Let me see. Is it good? Do it taste like regular Doritos or it taste like hot Cheetos?
It tastes like regular Doritos, the spicy ones. What do you think? I thought it was gonna taste more like hot Cheetos.
Yeah, it just tastes like regular.
I mean, the spicy ones.
The spice comes in
This
a little
is
bit
a
after.
little bit more spicy.
Yeah, but it doesn't taste like hot Cheetos. I feel like Doritos did a bad job with this.
Yeah, cause I don't know why they put the Flamin' Hot.
They don't have the hot Cheetos like taste.
How I pictured it, I thought it was gonna be exactly like hot Cheetos, but Doritos.
Me too. I was excited to taste these. Like, I don't even know if I would buy these.
I don't really like spicy Doritos. I mean, they're not bad.
But it's kind of trash, honestly. If you're going for the hot Cheeto,
Stick with hot Cheetos.
yeah, don't go for these because, like, don't think they're going to taste like hot Cheetos because they're not.
I see mommy.
I guess that was a bad label, I guess. I don't know. I feel like they should just said extra hot nacho. Because, you know, they have the spicy ones already.
Yeah, the nachos is kind of not really, they're not even spicy. But these, it could be like an additional, like, spicy to the nachos.
Try one?
No. Yeah.
Try one?
Yeah.
It's hot. Yeah, no. Overall, alright.
I would rate them 1 out of 10.
1?
Or a 2. Because they not nasty, but I was expecting, like, hot.
Yeah, I rate them a 2. Or 3. Because they're not nasty. They just not what I want.
It's not.
I thought I was going to get the hot Cheeto taste. Like, that hot Cheeto taste is so good. But
We've been waiting so long to do this.
It's not.
right, and we actually bought this like a couple days ago and we didn't even open them.
Honey, it's not nasty.
My mouth is burning a little bit.
Doritos, shame on you. Y'all should have somebody else taste these chips because, honey, these does not taste nothing like Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
Right, baby, shame on you. But anyways, I guess that's the end of our video.
Yeah, we don't really got too much to talk about these chips because they really not that good. They not nothing to talk about. So, I mean, we don't even have nothing to say, Doritos. You
Bye.
disappointed us.
But if you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
Peace.
Bye.